In this video, you will learn how to create vouchers in TallyPrime by importing documents using Docs by Era. Docs by Era automates voucher creation by allowing you to import PDFs and images of your transaction documents. Once imported, you can create all vouchers at once. You can also autofill a voucher instantly by importing a document while creating it. Before starting, make sure a few things are ready. To use Docs by Era, you must register on the Tally Solutions webpage. For help, watch our video, How to Register for Docs by Era to Automate Voucher Creation in TallyPrime. Now, let's see how to import transaction documents to TallyPrime using Docs by Era. In TallyPrime, press Alt-O, go to Transactions, and select Docs by Era. In the Import Transactions screen, select the voucher type you want to create. For example, if your supplier has sent sales invoices, but you want to create purchase vouchers, select Purchase. You can import only files of the same voucher type at a time. Select a file or choose all files to import everything in the folder. The files will import and the draft transactions report will open. Now, let's create the vouchers. In the report, you can see that the transactions you sent are ready to convert. To verify a transaction, select it and press Alt-I. You can verify the values in the transaction document. Let's open one transaction to see the values extracted from the imported transaction document. Press Ctrl-A to save the voucher. To create multiple transactions, select all the transactions in the report. Press F10 and in a matter of seconds, all the vouchers get saved in your books. There you go. To view the vouchers in your books, open Daybook. You can see the vouchers here. Now, let's see how you can autofill a voucher while creating it. During voucher creation, press Ctrl-F to autofill the voucher. Select the transaction document you want to import. There you go. All the values in the voucher get autofilled. Press Ctrl-A to save. Docs by Era makes voucher creation in TallyPrime faster and easier. If you find any exceptions after import, you can fix them directly in the draft transactions report. To learn how, watch how to resolve documents and create vouchers in TallyPrime using Docs by Era. Thank you.